Ever wonder why you're paying so much in taxes? It's time we delve into the world of taxes, a vital aspect of personal finance. We'll unravel the basics of income taxes, deductions, and credits. Stick around to become a tax-savvy individual. What's the big deal about income taxes? Well, they're a fundamental part of how our economy functions. Income taxes are the government's way of raising revenue by taxing the income you earn. This includes not just your regular paycheck, but also other types of income such as capital gains from selling investments, rental income, and even the interest you earn on your savings. Now, income tax operates on a progressive system. That means the more you earn, the higher your tax rate. So let's say you earn $20,000 a year. You're going to fall into a lower tax bracket than someone who earns $200,000 a year. The idea is to distribute tax burden fairly, so those with higher income contribute more to public services and infrastructure. But it's not as simple as just paying a flat rate on all of your income. The tax system is divided into different brackets. Each bracket has a specific tax rate and it applies only to the income that falls within that range. So, if you earn more, you'll pay a higher rate, but only on the portion of your income that exceeds the threshold for the lower brackets. So, that's the basics of income taxes, but what can you do to reduce your tax bill? Well, stay tuned. We're about to dive into tax deductions and credits, which can significantly lower your tax liability. Now let's dive into tax deductions. These are amounts you subtract from your taxable income, lowering the total amount of tax you owe. Picture this. You're a painter, and every paintbrush you buy is a tax deduction, reducing your taxable income. Let's consider a few common examples. If you're a homeowner, the interest on your mortgage can be deducted. For those of you paying off student loans, the interest you're paying could also be a deduction. Even medical expenses that exceed a certain percentage of your income can be deducted. The key to maximizing these benefits lies in itemizing your deductions. This means individually listing each deduction on your tax return, rather than taking the standard deduction. This can be a bit more work, but it can lead to significant tax savings. Deductions are a great way to lower your tax bill, but there's more to it. Want to know another way to reduce your tax liability? Enter tax credits. Unlike deductions, which lower your taxable income, tax credits are subtracted directly from your tax bill. It's like having a gift card for your taxes. Let's look at some examples. The child tax credit is a big one for families. For each qualifying child, this credit can reduce your taxes dollar for dollar. Another is the earned income tax credit, which is designed for low to moderate income working individuals and families. And if you're a student, you might qualify for the American Opportunity Credit, which can cover certain educational expenses. So, you see, tax credits can be quite beneficial. They can significantly lower your tax liability, sometimes even resulting in a refund. However, each tax credit has specific eligibility requirements, so it's important to understand them fully. Remember, every penny saved in taxes is a penny earned. Before we end, let's revisit the key points. First, we talked about income taxes, which are a fundamental part of your financial picture. Understanding how these taxes work is the first step towards effective financial management. Next, we delved into the world of deductions. These are specific expenses that you can subtract from your taxable income, reducing the amount of tax you owe. We've reviewed common deductions like mortgage interest, student loan interest, and medical expenses. Then, we discussed tax credits, a dollar-for-dollar reduction of your income tax. Credits are powerful tools that can significantly lower your tax bill. We also touched on tax-advantaged accounts like individual retirement accounts and 401(k)s. These accounts provide a way to save for your future while also reducing your current tax liability. Finally, we explored tax planning strategies. These can help you minimize your tax liability while staying within the bounds of the law. Remember, understanding these tax concepts is not just about reducing your tax bill, it's about empowering yourself to make smarter financial decisions. With this knowledge, you're now better equipped to navigate the world of taxes. Remember, every bit of tax wisdom puts you in a better financial position.